get going in this today. A little tacky there. Not bad. I don't even know if we'll get all the way in there. So far, most of it's pretty good. There's little softer spots, but dried up really nice with that wind yesterday. This is where it gets kind of gross up here. See, it's not even fully dried up yet. Oof. Seatbelts. I think we should be able to get this. A little softer here. Might not want to go. Yeah, that should be fine. It'll. Yeah, it's kind of soft right there. Probably just wing around that. Looks like my chemical worked pretty well though. Yeah, you can kind of see it's just a nasty pothole right here. It'd be kind of nice to ram a chunk of tile from pretty much just right, or 2 or 3 runs right down the middle to that far end. I don't know if it would be properly graded or what, but I think even if we just winged around this, we'd be okay. Tractor would be about here. Go pace it out. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 would be pretty close to the middle, maybe 13, middle of the tractor. I think he could get that. Okay, leftovers. You can see we've got a bit of a schmozzle. These are all leftovers from the seed trials last year. This is part of a bag of SC83. This is, I don't know if we should put that in because that's a little longer season than the rest. And we got a spare bag of 340. So these are all very comparable to the 340 for maturity. Well, figured it was time for my annual cedar ride. Often I do this early in the year just to make sure everything's working right, but it was just too windy. Not that it's actually just picked up in the last 10 minutes how windy it's gotten. Everything seems to be going pretty good. to go. Dad's been doing this whole thing in manual. He said when you get going with a lot of the little pies, like we had to dip around a spot way up there, that you end up with a lot of little pies and little misses. So he doesn't mind it. But something I thought I might point out, looking down here, you can see several of the mud scrapers are kind of balling up. We winged through some mud there. I don't know why, but it looks like some of those have either shifted or we might have even put them on wrong, because they need to be offset a little bit that way. So yeah, we'll definitely have to do some adjusting of those next year. We did have some problems with them. You can see all the wheels are turning, so that's fine. It's when they start skidding that it becomes a problem. Or if you don't have the mud scrapers on, it just starts building and building and building, and all of a sudden it's lifting your boot out of the ground and you're essentially floating, which is not good. Not when you paid for this to have perfect seed placement and fertilizer placement. part done. Not sure how well you'll be able to see. There's some fertilizer on the ground. We're just broadcasting what's left in the tanks. Can't be very much. See if you can see it coming out. I don't know how well that's going to show up. Sounds like it's done. Oh, a little more left. Probably because I got off of the one tank and it got to the low volume, but